So today we are going to see about chapter 17, locomotion and movements. So what do you mean by locomotion and what is movement?
Moving.
Can you give one example related to this? What is locomotion and what is movement?
Locomotion is the self transporting materials.
Okay, just coming up with the physical factors. Don't go very deep into the internal system. Just we'll find out what is movement and what is
Movement is the
locomotion.
motion of a body from one place to another.
Okay, fine. And then what is locomotion?
Plants, the water.
Plants, water.
No, transporting of water and plants.
Sir,
So we are talking for locomotion and locomotion and movement. They sound similar. So normally locomotion and movement they sound similar. So movement is an action which is being done. So when I write on the board, so it's an action. Or when I wave my hand, it is an action. Okay, so that an action which is being done is called as movement. And locomotion is changing the direction, changing the location. Yeah, you are right. So changing the direction from one place to another. That when I move from one place to another by doing some actions, doing some movements, that is called as locomotion. Got it? So coming up for my pointers, my question is, what is followed in plants and animals? I will come for
locomotion.
the plants and animals.
Plants follow
Locomotion,
and
animals
follow
movement.
Plants form
Locomotion.
locomotion. Okay, animals
Movement.
movements. Is that right?
Yeah, I guess.
Locomotion for plants and animals it is
Movement. Plants don't move, right?
that is the right answer.
Ocean. Yeah.
Plants show movements and animals show locomotion. Because plant cannot move from one place to another. It is still fixed to the ground. So what type of movement it shows in plants? Can you guess? You have been studying in your lower classes about these things. That what type of movement is being shown in plants? What type of movements? What are the movements in plants?
Movement of water from the roots to the xylem floor.
Yeah, from xylem through the roots, towards the xylem, water is being transported. Okay, so this happens internally. What about the external factors?
The movement of leaf is
Yeah, the movement of leaf towards the sunlight, it moves towards the sunlight.
Okay, right.
So you have been studied about phototropism, isn't it? Phototropism is a condition, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where plants move towards sunlight. And what happens for geotropism?
Plants move towards the
Towards
gravity.
what?
Negative root. No, there's no
Yeah.
positive and that is negative.
Towards the root. The root moves towards the ground in search of water. So that is called geotropism. You have positive and negative. That phototropism, positive and negative.
Positive is towards the sun
The
and
shoot system is a positive and the root system is negative. And for geotropism, the shoot
root
system
is
is
positive
negative.
and shoot is
Yeah.
negative.
This is how it has been. So that the movements are being present, just showing an action and reacting according to it. That is movement. And coming for locomotion in animals in search of food. Okay, so that locomotion is being done in search of food and getting over shelter and for other processes. And even though for reproduction, for mating, all these, it is for locomotion has been happening. So first you have to understand what is locomotion and what is movement. You got it now?
Yes,
You
sir.
clear?
Yeah.
That movement and locomotion. Okay, so coming out for, this is for the higher organisms. Plants and animals are the higher organisms. When it is been for the lower organisms. The lower organisms, what happens? For the lower organisms. What type of movements are being followed in the lower organisms? That's like microorganisms. Isn't it? Yeah? So what happens in microorganisms? Is there any movements? Is there any locomotion
Yeah.
taking place? What
They
type of
move
movements?
from the
So we are coming up for movements.
surrounding.
What type of movements are being shown in microorganisms?
So the tentacles, movement of tentacles.
Movement of
Tentacles.
tentacles. Okay. Any other?
Pseudopodia.
Pseudopodia. Pseudopodia and amoeba. Okay. That is it. Amoeba. And then
Tentacles.
in paramecium, paramecium. Yeah, you're right. And in euglena,
Flagella.
flagella. That these are the three major movements shown in lower organisms. Okay, that is in amoeba it is called as
Pseudopodia.
amoeboid movement, and in paramecium it is ciliary movement, and in euglena it is
Flagellated movement.
flagellated movement. So that in amoeba, how does it happen?
The food is surrounded by the false feet, that is, the food is captured by the false feet.
Okay, so that how does movement occurs? How does
Through
movement
the
occurs?
pseudopodia.
Through pseudopodia. Yeah, right. That's right. It is you said that it is based on
Food.
getting over the foot. Okay. Movement happens with the false feet. That is the pseudopodia. Okay. So here in paramecium,
Cilia,
cilia.
which is present on
You
the
can
outwards.
pronounce the cilia or cilia. Cilia is the base it has been produced. Okay. So in paramecium it is ciliary movements. So apart from paramecium in our body, which parts will show ciliary movements?
The
Yes?
So, the intestine.
Yeah, intestine is right. Okay, fine. And any other? What is this? What do you think this?
esophagus or trachea. Not
Esophagus?
trachea. Esophagus.
Esophagus.
Shows ciliary movements.
No, the nose.
Yes, esophagus.
Stomach movement.
The nose, yeah, the nostrils and the nasal chamber. The nasal chamber is it is filled with ciliary epithelium. Okay, and in the intestine you have the villi. The villi, the finger-like projections which have been used over to transport the food and absorb the nutrients. Okay, so these are the things in ciliary movement. And coming for euglena, flagellated movement. Flagellated movement is
The
help of-
flagella.
as like tentacles arising out from the body, they show it for movements. Okay, and the organism move from one place to another based on this flagellated movement. Got it? Okay. Right. So these are the three types of movements in lower organisms. The common movements which have been shown in under the movement, the three common movements. Okay, one is amoeboid movement, ciliary movement, and flagellated movement. Okay, coming up for the locomotion and movement, which plays an important role in locomotion. Which organs plays an important role in locomotion?
Muscles.
Muscles. Only muscles. Muscles. What are they called?
Legs.
Legs. Good. Bones and muscles, they work together to form the locomotion, isn't it? So bones is important. Without, imagine that your body without muscles, you have only bones. Looks something awkward, isn't it? But something creature moving towards you. Or in the night time, in the evening or in the night, you will find something different. Sharon is not coming, a skeleton is coming to next week. So this happens. Okay, so that is based over the bones. And imagine you don't have bones in your body. You don't have bones in your body. What happened?
Dancing.
Surely you will not look like as a, yeah, you will be looking like as a jelly, moving here and there. And you can be easily rolled into a ball. Isn't it? And you can be kicked. And every time I'll kick you from one class to another class.
That
This
can
would
be
happen.
considered as amoeboid movement.
Yeah? when there is no bones in the body. If you have bones, you are not being taken into any of the system. Okay, any of the types. You are not being taken into amoeboid or ciliated or flagellated. But when, imagine that you don't have bones, then you will be under amoeboid movement. You can make your own, you can use your false feet as jetting or making as legs and moving from one place to another. And if there is, you can't find ciliary actions also there. So that ciliary actions will be also absent. That in locomotion in human beings or in the higher animals, muscles and bones plays an important role. Okay, got it? That muscles and bones play an important role. Now, the bones are being called as, they belong to which system?
The skeletal system.
The skeletal system, you are right. So, now we'll see about what is the skeletal system. We'll see muscles later. Okay, first we'll see about what is skeletal system. And so how many bones are there in the body?
206.
Yeah?
206.
The skeletal system comprises of
206.
206 bones. Isn't it? So what is the number of bones present in a newborn baby?
306. 306.
Newborn it is 306. Why there is a transformation?
Because as
Bones
the
join.
bones join as the
And what type of bones are there? Are made up of the 306 bones in the newborn baby. What type of bones are they? But you have been studying the types of bones, isn't it? The types of bones are one is hard bones, soft bones, isn't it?
Yeah, so babies will have soft.
Soft bones. The soft bones have been called as right? Hard bones, and another one is
fibrous bones.
fibrous bones.
Cartilaginous bones.
Cartilaginous bones.
Sir, excuse me. This
Of
annual
course.
account.
Okay, coming for the hard bones and the cartilaginous bones. So, in a newborn baby, the cartilaginous bones are, you have 306 bones, and those 306 bones are made up of cartilage. And this transformation, that is 306 bones, are being transformed into an adult. When the baby grows into an adult, it is of 206 bones. How the transformation occurs in the sense, the cartilaginous bones are 306 bones are being connected with each other, and while growing up, they keep on growing and they form into single bones. Okay, so that is the transformation, that is 306 getting into 206 bones. So you have two divisions of the skeletal system. You know the divisions of skeletal system, how it has been divided. So this division we will see it in the next class. Okay, we will see the divisions in the next class, and thank you all for this.
Thank you.